Hi, Brad here with MarineMax at Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey. Want to show you our factory fresh, brand new 2026 Sea Ray SDX 270 stern drive. This boat comes with a traditional hull color of Sea Ray blue. Comes with a windlass anchor package. This boat has a 6.2 350 horsepower Bravo 3 Mercruiser engine. It comes with a woven flooring, gray color, and it comes with a stone interior color. This boat comes with a pump out head. It comes at the helm with dual digital SIMRAD screens and entertainment bundle. It comes with a white power sports tower with a black bimini top, and on the back we have sea decking on the swim platform, and it also has a submersible swim platform that is manual. Come down and see our Sea Ray at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong.